Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri Mutjan or sweet pulao or Modur Pulao. This is sweet in taste and this pulao is flavored with aromatic saffron and Zirish or black currant for extra zest. It's different from the Wazwan pulao that's served, but this is also part of a Wazwan, it's served sometimes. So let's get started. For making this, I have taken a handful of coconut scraps and half a cup of black currant or Zirish. This is the main ingredient for this pulao. Then I have taken some peeled almonds. You can skip all other dry fruits, but black currant and raisins are important in this. Then I have taken black cardamoms, green cardamoms and 2-3 pinches of saffron. This will give the yellow color. This is also an important ingredient for this pulao. Then I have taken cashews, then cloves and cinnamon sticks and raisins, half a cup. Then I have taken 1/3 cup of ghee or clarified butter and 1.5 cup of basmati rice, and I have taken sugar around half a cup. You can add more sugar according to your taste, but I'm adding raisins also, so they are also sweet. You can adjust sweetness. I start with taking around 3.5 cups of water, and I have added soaked saffron and whole spices to it: green cardamom, black cardamom, cinnamon and cloves, and I will bring it to boil. I added 2 more pinches of saffron because it was not fully yellow. Here you can see. Even if you are not going to add saffron, you can add turmeric also for the color, because this has to be yellowish color. The rice has to be yellowish color. So I'm flavoring it with saffron, and that will give color too. So here you can see, once it starts to boil, I'll let it boil for 2-3 minutes. Then I'll be adding rice to it. You have to cook this basmati rice the same way you cook basmati rice. And here you can see, I will let it boil, and I will let it boil till the rice starts to break. That you have to check with your hand. You can take one rice grain and see if it breaks. That means it's ready. It's almost 70 to 80% done. So at this stage, I'll take out the extra water from it. I'll strain it. I have strained the extra water from this, that I'm not going to discard. I'll be using it. And we are yet to add sugar and dry fruits to this, so I'll just cover it and leave it aside. Till then I'll make sugar syrup and dry fruits. Now I have heated up ghee, and I'm adding raisins and black currant to it, or Zirish. I'll saute them a little. This gives very good flavor if we saute them in ghee instead of adding directly. And then I'll be adding almonds, cashews and coconut scraps. We'll saute them. Once they are fried properly, then I'll be adding sugar here and water. So I'm making it a 1 dry fruit and sugar syrup. This gives a very good taste. So here you can see I'm adding sugar. Then I'll be adding water, and I'm adding a tablespoon from the rice water that we had drained for the color, so that the rice retains the color, because I'm not using any other color. I have just used the saffron. So here you can see, we'll bring it to boil. I'll bring it to boil till all the sugar is dissolved properly, and then I'll turn off the flame, and then I'll mix it with the rice. Now going back to rice, it's almost 80% done. So at this stage, I'll be adding dry fruits to it that we have just cooked in sugar syrup, and I'll be adding a few tablespoons of this sugar syrup. That will give the taste, that will give the sugar taste to this pulao. That's why it's known as Modur Pulao. Modur means sugary or sweet in Kashmiri. So here you can see I have added all the dry fruits, and I'll be adding a few tablespoons from the sugar syrup till we get that sweet taste. You can add more sugar if you want, it depends on you, but raisins also will give sweet taste. Now we will keep rice on low flame because we have not cooked rice properly. We just cooked it up to 80% and drained the extra water. Now we have added dry fruits and sugar syrup, and we'll keep it on dum for around 15 to 20 minutes. After around 15 minutes, I'll check on the rice. It seems ready because aroma is in the whole house. Here the Kashmiri Modur Pulao or Mutjan is ready. It leaves an unforgettable taste in your mouth, and if you have a sweet tooth, definitely this is a must try for you. This recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.